Hi, today I've heard of me Xiaomi 12 Lite and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and after that tap to the Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi we should click once on the switcher and after that we will see here all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. We should enter here our password. If you want to see this password, we should use this icon. For example, to have now some mistakes, I'll enter it out of screen. After that, just tap here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select more networks here, enter the passwords, connect to them, and after that you can switch between those networks. So just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click here once again on the Wi-Fi switcher and that's it. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts. You will see somewhere here Wi-Fi icon. Just click once on the icon to activate Wi-Fi. To turn it off, we should click on the icon once again. And if you want to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and we can see here the same Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.